Do you really want to become powerful and a millionaire in your life? I'm not saying about cheap tricks or the things are going on in 2023 or in 2024. I'm talking about the real world. I'm talking about how to get out of the matrix within 3 years. If you really want to become a millionaire in 3 years, I'm not talking about 3 days, 3 months. I'm talking about 3 years. And this video is for you because if you really want to become successful in your life, if you really want to achieve something huge, then it must sustain. Do you want to become a millionaire for a day? Do you want to reach your business up to $1 million business, but you will collapse within 3 months? Do you want to do this? Or you want to make a multi-billion dollar business which will run at least for 100 years? So I am starting a new playlist in which I will be helping you out to become a millionaire in 3 years. And this playlist will contain multiple videos and they are interlinked with each other. So in the first video, I will help you to understand the landscape of opportunity, what are the points you need to keep in your mind, and how you can become a millionaire in 3 months. So just let's starting out. So first of all, I am going to say, which is seriously important, this journey is not going to be easy. It will be hard. You will go with your emotional breakdowns. You will go with your financial breakdowns. A lot of things is going to happen with you. But if you can stay still and be focused in your journey, then you will be a millionaire in 3 years. But before this, I am Pranshu, Agrawal, elite sales expert. I will help you to dominate in your industry and social media marketing agency owner. We already understand this journey is not simple. Second thing, you're gonna suffer a lot because ultimately when you get entangled, when you face failure, when you get a lot of issues in your life, you try to understand why I'm getting those issues and how I can sort those things out. That's how you are going to build your mind. That's how you are going to build your mindset. Keep this thing in mind. You will see a lot of failures, but these failures ultimately bring a millionaire version of you. Okay. And there was one of my mentor, Travis, who said before becoming a millionaire or billionaire, you need to work on your self-development. And to do this, you need to learn some things from the books, some videos. And I have one more person who is really close to me, which is Bedros Keuilian, and he's helping out the people to become hard and be focused in your journey. I also do some self-development stuff with myself so I can be aligned in my journey. Third thing is, growth will not be easy. You will not see growth in your initial year, but definitely it will get compounded over the years. Fourth point is, you need to understand your partner can be a helpful person in your journey or it can be a curse for you. If that person is highly focused, if that person is a building person, if that person wants something more in their life, then they will help you out. Otherwise they will bring you down. Why we need that much things, why you want that much stuff, leave it, we can live a mediocre life. No, this video is not for the people who wants to live a mediocre life. So let's start the blueprint how to become a millionaire in 3 years. First point is, in the initial year, you will be making fast decisions. You will be making hard decisions at a fast pace. Although some decisions will be wrong, some decisions will be right. We will look into that. But in the initial year, you will be making a lot of decisions at a fast pace. What I do when I need to make a decision, I become skeptical, I become more logical, and I will try to make the decision within 5 minutes. Otherwise, I will not make any decision. You need to make your decision as fast as possible, and you can alter them while pursuing that journey. Okay? When you are building out in your initial journey, initial year, speed is your friend. If you lose the momentum, you lose the profits in your business. So try to regain that momentum, try to be in the speed so you can make recurring business. Second step, in the second initial year, you will get little bit mature. You will understand the things, how you can integrate multiple things, and here you start delegating the things. In the business, if you are doing everything on your own, then you are doing nothing. This is a rule in the business. If you don't know how to delegate the things, if you don't know how to make the team work, you are not going to make it huge. So in the second year, you will understand how to delegate the things to the right people, how to hire right people, and to hire better salespeople and to hire superstars in your organization. I already uploaded a video. It will be popped out in the I section. In the second year, you will understand how to hire best people in your organization, how to delegate the things, so you can get some time off from your shoulders and you can start focusing on the things which truly matters in the business. And in the end of the second year, I promise you can start smelling the 7 figures. And in the end of 3 years, if you really become focused, the least you can do is to become a millionaire. The least you can do is to become a millionaire if you focus for the 3 years. And the more, there is no limit. The sky is the limit, right? You can be a billionaire in 3 years also, but at least if you focus on the points I am going to share, then you will be a millionaire within 3 years at least. So you need to understand, make fast decision in the first year. Second year is for the delegation. Third year is to expand. Okay. So now starting out the landscape of opportunity, we already know about Amazon FBA. So when Amazon FBA just launched out, there are multiple small business owners who were indulging in that activity and they were making millions. Even the people who doesn't know the basics of the business were generating millions in that process. Understand, there is multiple opportunities around you. All you need to do is to focus. First, you need to ask some certain questions from yourself, like where I want to go in my life, what is the purpose of my life, what I want to achieve, what I really want to become, and what is the personality I can become, whom I can proud of. If you do ask these type of questions, then you will definitely go ahead in your life. After that, you will understand that I want to become that personality, I want to build that business. So you can start filtering out the opportunities. Let's suppose you already understand that thing. Let me share a quick story with you. When you are roaming on the road with your friends, you saw a Ferrari and multiple cars passing by you, and you were not focused about the Ferrari, you were not car enthusiast, so you will ignore that thing. But if you think about Ferrari for 2 days, that I want to get a Ferrari, I want to ride in a Ferrari, and when a Ferrari reaches out, you can easily filter out that thing because you are focused on where your focus goes, money flows. So you understand, try to clear some questions with yourself, try to sit with yourself, ask these questions, and make a clear roadmap like what you want to become. After that, you understand what type of opportunities you have, and internet is really a blessing. You have a lot of opportunities. Just like I also started my career as a social media marketer, and I help multiple people's organization to grow their businesses. So starting out that landscape of opportunity, there are so many huge brands, big brands who are buying small brands. Do you know why? Let's suppose I started my journey as a social media marketer, which I actually did, and I excelled in that thing. Within 3 years, I become a millionaire. Now I want to expand my business. I just don't want to be in that business anymore. I want to expand my business up to new industry. So what I will do, there will be multiple small business owners who are getting out of fund, but they are doing fantastic business. So I will do a conversation with them. I will build a relation with them, and I will buy their companies. And this is happening in our market since 1990. So big brands focused on one product, and when they see like they need to expand their businesses, they need to expand their market, they will club out multiple small companies together, and they become more huge brands, and they are tackling with a large set of audience. Second thing, what is the secret huge brand knows that you don't? They are working on a very micro market. Think about any brand, they are targeting very micro brand, micro audience. That's how they are going to work. The most biggest mistake people do in their life is they are going to communicate with everyone. They want that I want to sell my product to this. Every person is my customer. No, you want to become very specific. You need to understand what are the demographics of my ideal audience, like what is their age, where they are located, what they are doing in their professional life, what are the pain points they are facing, what transformation they are seeking in their life. If you will define those things in your life, then you will get your ideal audience. Better product, first you need to make a core story about your brand. Just like you need to start with people. What most people do and fail, they start with a product and they look out for the people. What you need to do, you need to look out for the people first, then create a product. Let's suppose I am a fitness enthusiast. You can see my body. Just like, so I want to gain more protein. I want to increase my protein intake every day. I am eating already a lot. I am eating around 4,000 calories in a day. I just want to make my protein intake more, not my calories or other stuff. So what I do, I will try to get a protein supplement, but there are not so many authentic protein supplements in the market. So what I will do, I will get an idea. There are not so many authentic brands of protein supplement. I will create that brand. I will create that protein. I study about it and how to create an authentic protein. I start building out that business. What I did, I understand the problem that people are facing. They are not authentic brands. For what I focus on people first, then to create a product. So you need to do the same first. Understand in which market I can enter. There are multiple markets, but the core markets are: first market is sales. Second market is about relationships, just like the partners thing. Third is about food market. Fourth about is the sleeping equipments which need to be used on a daily basis. So if you understand those demographics and work accordingly, then you will get a better product. Because and this thing is about the morning when I was communicating with my friend. This is my one friend Zorgan, who commented on one of my posts, and he told me when he started out a business, he started with a product and he failed within 8 months. He lost a huge amount of money in that business, and he told me like I must need to focus on people then product. So he also did that mistake, but he did learn from that. But it costed a lot of money. So I don't want you to cost that money for your life or from your bank account. First focus on the people. Try to find out what are the problems people are facing and define a micro niche, micro market, and work accordingly to create a product for them. Second thing, you must be clear what are the processes you need to align in your businesses. Second, how you are going to align the things, like what are the problems they are facing, how you can make them understand you are the elite in that industry, you are the master of that industry, you know how to transform the people, how to make them get the change they're really seeking for. If you do this, trust me, people will crave for your product. So that's all about the landscape of opportunity, and here you started out the way how to become a millionaire in 3 years. I congratulate you if you stuck to the end of the video, because now you started your journey. I just want you to be focused in that thing. So in the upcoming videos, I will help you to how to create a successful product, how to choose your customers, how to create a successful brand, and to rule the market, to dominate the market. Before this, subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share with your friend who's trying to become a millionaire, who's trying to figure out the things to become a huge businessman, huge person in his or her life. And I uploaded multiple videos regarding the sales. When you are doing business and you are not generating enough sales, then you are not going to sustain your business for a much longer time, my friend. For this, you need to understand how to become a great sales machine. I already shared a playlist in which I am teaching you how to become ultimate sales machine and how to automate your business for around 100 years. For this, I am sharing the first video of my ultimate sales machine video playlist. Watch it now. It will help you to get tremendous results.